Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying your life. Let's try to create this transition. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You will find more like this in my channel. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to add a new slide. We have the picture in the background and apply it to all. Format background, you insert the picture from here, and then after inserting apply it to all, then we need to create this texture. For that, we create a text box and write room, and then choose overdrive sunset as a font and increase it in size to the way we want. It's too large, here is good. Put it here. We insert a rectangle here. Then select all of them by Ctrl A and combine them. Now, before combining, I copy this slide one time and then select them and combine them. In this slide, I do the wrong zoom. In this slide, I'm going to color this field black. Okay, it's good. We copy it another time. We don't copy it. We have this slide here. We delete this thing. Now we zoom in. We copy the text. And we can also reduce the sharpness of the picture. And for this line, they are lines that I created from here. One. And after that, just simply press the Ctrl and create a lot of copy of them. And after copying them, just simply select some of them to increase the width. Now, select all of them and make them black. Copy them, paste them here and bring them out. Now just simply set the transition to morph. Okay, this is it. Please like and subscribe if you like my content, and don't forget, if you need anything, ask me in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.